Oh, bhai, you are in a social media, and social media is not bad because social media does not always talk about dancing and informations that can blow your mind. Social media can give you one more thing. They can give you me. My name is Dr. Amit, and this is what I'm going to talk to you. After all the things that you have done in your life, you have done all the kind of courses, programs, and mindset, and you have tried, tested everything, but still you are sad. Probably this is where you need to learn about only one thing: how do you close a deal? Money can solve all the problems other than death, right? Any problem. Probably we do not know how to invest, or we do not know where to invest. I'm not talking about any kind of forex trading, mutual funds now. I'm talking about a very simple thing: is how do you close a deal? Simple, to the point. 2 hour sessions. We're going to work on how do entirely it works step by step, and we'll tell you about some different kind of a structure of how emotionally all these things works. I'm going to give you some formulas and hacks. 2 hours, that's all. And probably this is the last of your browsing that you require. Afterwards, you can stop all the ads. You do not need any other ads. Promise. My name is Dr. Amit. Link is down there.